Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off performance milestone notifications or milestones in the Snapchat app. First, let's open up the app. From here it just opens up in the camera. From here we go into the profile menu, then into settings, scroll down, and under public profile settings we tap on our name, and then on the notifications we have performance milestones, and we can turn this off. This way we won't receive notifications about how our account or profile or content does on the app. But if you care about these things, we can turn this on. So when we reach a milestone, we are going to be notified. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.